When you're carving your Halloween pumpkin this year, don't let those seeds go to waste. It doesn't take much to turn them into a delicious snack. Pumpkin seeds are full of minerals, of fibre and antioxidants, and most importantly, they taste great. So first up, you need to cut the lid off your pumpkin, then get your hand or a large spoon inside and scrape out all the stringy flesh and the seeds. Tip all of that into a sink or a large bowl and cover with cold water, and then rub the seeds between your hands and you'll find that the stringy flesh easily slips away. Once clean, pop the seeds into a clean tea towel and rub dry. Then tip them into a mixing bowl and add the coconut oil and the honey and mix well. Tip it onto a baking sheet and spread into one even layer, and then sprinkle over the cinnamon and the salt. Next up, you're going to roast them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're light golden brown and crunchy. Do be sure to stir the seeds once during the cooking time just to stop them burning. Once they're cooked, remove from the oven, let fully cool before diving in or storing in an airtight tin. So finally, a Halloween snack that's healthy and tasty. That's it for this week. I hope you all have a ghoulish Halloween and I'll catch up with you next week. See ya.